everyone, welcome back to Kegi channel. Let's jump right into today's adventure. Welcome to Marina Beach, Dubai. Doesn't it give off Miami Beach vibes? The atmosphere is super lively, loads of things to do, shop, and eat around here. Can you believe this whole area is man-made? Dubai Marina and the beach were built by bringing the Gulf's water into the desert. Now it's one of the most beautiful places to chill. Amazing skyline views, luxury yachts, and that perfect sunset vibe. Even on a weekday, this place is super crowded. Weekends must be insane. Today's highlight is the world's largest inflatable water park, officially a Guinness World Record holder. It's got over 100 obstacles and from above spells out "I love Dubai." Up to 500 people can play here at once. If you're planning to come, tickets are 170 dirhams on weekdays and 200 on weekends. A little pricier when it gets busy. The park's right in the middle of the ocean, constantly floating with the waves. But with today's strong winds, balancing was definitely a challenge. I was done after a few minutes. The kids, though, full of energy as always, while I just became their cameraman. This park turned out way bigger than I imagined. I really underestimated it. The waves were choppy, and we were constantly trying not to fall into the ocean. Not too crowded this morning, probably because we got here early. From a distance, you can see lines forming and people crossing over to join the fun. Changing and restrooms? No problem. Plenty of space to wash up, but yeah, there's a small fee. Classic Dubai, right? Opened in 2016, this park is hitting its 10-year milestone this year. I'm leaving these challenges for the kids to conquer while I relax, soak up the sun, and get it all on camera. Now I get why this beach is so popular. Look at that view, that huge stretch of sand. Stunning is the only word. Honestly, photos and videos don't even capture it properly. So here's the thing. We are about to try raising canes for the very first time. And I'm not gonna lie, if it weren't for our kids, Eliza and I would have never even heard of this place. They've been begging us to come here, so here we are. So the menu? Chicken tenders, cane sauce, lemon, done. They said we do one thing and ran with it. So here's the thing. We're not big on fast food at all. But this? Best we've ever tasted. Forget everything else. We're officially Cane's people now. They've even got merch. Didn't buy any yet. But if we keep coming back like this, yeah, we're getting the hoodie. So here's the breakdown. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. The sauce? Don't even think about skipping it. And the lemon? Refreshing, cuts the grease perfectly. We're absolutely coming back before we head home. Made it home. Kids jumped straight into the pool. Non-stop mode activated. After dinner, we thought, why not hit Dubai Mall one last time? So we drove there. Look at this. It's so late and the mall is still buzzing with people. You'd never see this back in Melbourne. So Garrett's looking for supercars? And yeah, not much action tonight. Wrong time, I guess. Thanks for joining us for another Dubai day. Really appreciate you watching. If you want to come along on our next adventure, go ahead and like and subscribe. See you in the next one.